Today, Mummy and I are going to make a Christmas decoration for Mickey Mouse. We're going to make Mickey a funny lollipop Rudolph because I think it will make him laugh. For this you will need lollipop sticks, brown paint, glue, glitter, pipe cleaners, red pom-pom, some googly eyes, and a grown-up to help you. To make your lollipop Rudolph, start by sticking 3 lollipop sticks together. You might need some grown-up help for the tricky bits. Squidge that glue down to make sure Rudolph doesn't fall apart. Then paint the sticks to make Rudolph all brown, because that's the colour of his fur. Wait a few minutes for the paint to dry a bit, and then add some glue. Sprinkle lots of glitter on if you want to make Rudolph all extra Christmassy. Whee! Next, get the pipe cleaners and twist them to make them into his long antlers. They are nice and yellow, just like Mickey's yellow shoes. Stick on his googly woogly eyes and his bright red nose. He looks so funny. Then tie on some string and he's all finished. And Rudolph is all ready to hang on the tree with his other funny lollipop pals. I think Mickey would love to hang Rudolph on his Christmas tree too. Find more crafty Christmas tips and ideas at disneyjunior.co.uk.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.